Hey, this is Richard from Total Parts Plus. Today we have a Nissan Navara, stock reference number 5824. This shape ran from the 5th of 2010 to the 8th of 2015. It is a D40, 6-cylinder, 3-litre turbo diesel engine backed by an auto all-wheel drive transmission. Here we have our D40, 6-cylinder, 3-litre turbo diesel engine. Grille, fog lights, left-hand headlight, left front guard, left front wheel, factory alloy mag, 18-inch rim, good tyre. Bonnet, no dents. Left front door, no dents. Left rear door, no dents. Left rear wheel, factory alloy mag, 18-inch rim, good tyre. Left-hand tail light. Tailgate, no dents. Right-hand tail light. Right rear wheel, factory alloy mag, 18-inch rim, good tyre. Right rear door, no dents. Right front door, 2 dents. Right front door trim. Right front master switch. Center console lid. Gear stick. Heater AC controls. Touchscreen display. Left hand sun visor. Courtesy light. Right hand sun visor. Tidy 4-spoke leather steering wheel. Less airbag. Audio cruise buttons.